Hello everyone, I'm Yash from the Australian Academy, and once again I'm here with another latest cue card. The question is, describe a prize that you received. So the question is in past form, that you received. The questions are what it was, what you had to do to win it, how many other competitors were there. So as per the question, you can start by saying, honestly speaking, I really feel fortunate enough to taste glory in whatsoever competition I participated. So this is a beautiful opening, you can use that. And then in continuation you will say, here I would like to talk about salad making competition in which I participated in high school. In this portion you can specify any of the competition in which you feel you have the relevant content, right? So as per my area of interest, I have mentioned salad making competition. So when I was in 11th grade, I got the privilege, golden opportunity, wider opportunity to represent my school at an inter-school level competition. So I clearly remember, or it can be I vividly remember, that I showcased my caliber in representing a healthy, nutritional as well as cost effective salad which would be affordable. Cost effective means it is at reasonably priced and it is affordable by people of different stratas. So I, along with 30 participants, began competing after the buzzer, and we got complete 1 hour in which we make all the arrangements. For instance, we chopped vegetables, made necessary arrangements, and not only this, I have also used some eco-friendly decorative accessories to make it look more presentable. As per the general saying that we eat with our eyes. Eat with our eyes means the meal which seem to be appealing, which is presentable, is really appreciable by the others. So it was mouth-watering as well as scrumptious. So any vocab word as per your ease with which you are comfortable, you can use that. So I use some boiled rice, peanut butter, tomato paste to garnish it. So the items which were necessary to make that specific salad, I have specified those. Moreover, white fleshed fish, which is usually inexpensive, has a mild flavor, cooks quickly and takes on pretty much with easily available herbs. Now this is very important, that a fish which is usually inexpensive and has a mild flavor cooks quickly, because whenever you compete there is a time frame and within that you need to prepare it, as no prior arrangements can be made, right? So within that time zone you need to complete everything. So further, I garnished it with some olives and some slices of lemon, as I really like these. So I was able to plate fish, means I was able to present my salad, means in a presentable way. I placed everything in an like apple pie order in a very proportionate manner. So I was able to plate fish before time in an incredible manner, and it certainly boosted my confidence when I showcased it within the time limit, and I really felt blessed that I was able to do everything in sequence. So lastly, I certainly felt nostalgic, and when my name got announced as a winner, nostalgic means I got bit emotional, as I paid a lot of time, attention, and when it paid off, when my name got announced as a winner, I was definitely at cloud 9, and I got the privilege to show my culinary skills at college level and recently at national level as well. As per the prize, there were like so many cookery dishes, that recipe book and some eatables were there, so that it enhances my confidence and my interest, so that in future as well I can cook more scrumptious meal. So this content is all about the question, a prize that you received. So it is all about the latest cue card, and I hope you really like it. Thank you.